Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix Windows 11 settings crashing again and again on your PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, what you have to do, you just need to open your CMD. So just go to your search window and type CMD. Now right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. After that click on yes. Once you have get this screen, what you have to do, you just need to type this command, which is sfc system file scan. So scan now, and after that press enter from your keyboard. So you have to wait for a few minutes. After done sfc command, what you have to do, you just need to open CMD once again. Now this time you have to type 3 command which I'll give you on my video description. So here's a command. So type one by one. Then second command, here it is the second command. After done, copy the last command. So after done, restart your computer and it will fix your problem. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.